When it comes to creating stunning emails, you might be torn between Sendinblue and Campaign Monitor. Both have their strengths, but which one really stands out in terms of design, usability, and overall effectiveness? Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which tool is best for your needs, and I'll also reveal an alternative that could change the game for you. Let's dive straight into it, starting with the core features that matter most when it comes to designing beautiful emails. Sendinblue is known for its all-in-one platform, combining email marketing with SMS, live chat, and even marketing automation. It's got a lot of bells and whistles, which is great, but sometimes that can lead to a more complex interface. You can design some solid emails with their drag-and-drop editor, but the options for customization might feel a bit limiting if you're looking for something more advanced. On the other hand, Campaign Monitor's email design is incredibly user-friendly and focused on creating visually stunning emails. The design templates they offer are top-notch, and their drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to create professional-looking emails without any hassle. The platform offers a variety of templates, which can be helpful, but that can also be a downside if you're someone who likes to start from scratch or really fine-tune things. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Sendinblue's interface can feel a bit cluttered with its wide range of features. You might need some time to get used to it, especially if you're looking for simplicity. But if you're someone who wants a little more than just email marketing, like automation and transactional emails, then Sendinblue might be the better option overall. It's more than just email, it's a complete marketing suite. But with that extra complexity, it can be harder to find your way around at first. Campaign Monitor, in comparison, is all about making the email creation process as smooth as possible. It's intuitive and relatively simple to use, making it ideal for people who want to focus on email design and not necessarily dive into complex marketing features. But if you're someone who needs those extra features like marketing automation or SMS capabilities, Campaign Monitor falls short. The third thing to consider is pricing. Sendinblue offers more value for the money, especially for small businesses or startups. Their pricing structure is flexible, with a free tier that allows you to send up to 300 emails a day. But if you're sending a high volume of emails, you may find that Sendinblue's pricing model can quickly get expensive. Campaign Monitor's pricing is more straightforward, but it's on the pricier side compared to Sendinblue, especially for small businesses. They do offer a pay-as-you-go option, which can be appealing for those who don't want to commit to a subscription. Next, we should address deliverability. This is a big one when it comes to email marketing. Sendinblue does a solid job with deliverability, but it's worth noting that users sometimes report issues with their emails landing in the spam folder. Campaign Monitor, on the other hand, is known for its strong deliverability rates. It offers a dedicated IP option if you're on their higher tier plans, which can give you more control over your email reputation. Now, let's wrap this up with one last point: customer support. Sendinblue offers great support with 24/7 chat, email, and phone support for higher tier plans. But honestly, their response times can be hit or miss. Campaign Monitor, while not perfect, generally offers quicker responses and helpful assistance when you need it, which could be a lifesaver if you're in a time crunch. So, at this point, both platforms have their advantages and drawbacks. Sendinblue is fantastic if you need an all-in-one marketing tool and are willing to learn its interface. Campaign Monitor, on the other hand, is ideal for those who want email marketing with beautiful design and a user-friendly interface, but it does lack some of the advanced features of Sendinblue. But here's the thing, after testing both of them myself, I believe there's a better option out there if your goal is to create stunning emails that actually get results. These platforms are good, but for something that offers more flexibility, ease of use, and better value overall, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.